Okay, today I'm going to show you how to square a binomial by itself. We're going to show you the few easy steps involved so that you can remember this for your exams to save time. If you're not already following me daily, you can press subscribe here if you so wish, and then become part of the team. I have lectures I share Mondays to Fridays, and I have on my channel from grade 1 all the way up to senior school. Welcome aboard. Okay, so let's square a binomial by itself. And we're going to do it the short way using these steps. So step 1, you're going to square the first term of the binomial. Step 2, you're going to double the product of the two terms. And step 3, you're going to square the second term. Now it sounds terrible, but let's go do an example. You'll see how easy it is. So the first step, remember, let's go look at it, is to square the first term. So we're going to square the first term, and the first term is x. So we're going to write that as x times x, which equals x squared. The second step, remember, is to double the product of the two terms. So we're going to go and double the product, in other words, the multiplication. So step 2, we're going to double the product of the two terms. The terms are x and minus 2, so we're going to times those two together and double them. So 2 times x and minus 2, and that becomes minus 4x. Okay, then the third step is to square the second term. The second term in this particular one is minus 2, so we're going to square that. Minus 2 times minus 2 is equal to plus 4. Now, if you look carefully, you'll see here is our result. We just have to combine them all. So we're going to do that at the bottom there. We're going to write x squared minus 4x plus 4. And that is the answer of this squared. Okay. Let's look at one more. So the first step is we are going to square the first term. So that's x times x, which equals x squared. The next step is double the product of the two terms. So double would be 2 times x times minus 4. And that becomes minus 8x. And the last step is to square the second term. Minus 4 times minus 4 is equal to 16. Now we're going to write that, and that at the bottom, and we'll have our answer. X squared minus 8x plus 16. You see how simple it is. So you just follow the steps that I've taught you, and you can save time. I mean, you could always do it the long way around. You could say x minus 4, and times it out as a square. Please take note, don't get confused. This is not the difference of squares. We've got minus signs in both brackets, not a minus and a plus. If you wanted to do it the long way around, you could go, okay, x squared minus 4x, and then minus 4x plus 16. And you'll end up with x squared minus 8x plus 16, which is the answer that we had there. Much easier just to use these steps. I'll see you in tomorrow's lecture.